enjoy the video. So it's currently the beginning of July, thus the perfect time to get myself some wild blueberries has come. Or maybe bilberries? It's actually not named for a berry honestly, but maybe it's so expensive in the US so you have to pay your bills up for this? Google says it's called European wild blueberries, but it doesn't matter honestly, because it's all incredibly tasty. You can find so many goods in the woods at this time of the year. From these bright berries I'm not actually sure about, to these pretty and tiny wild strawberries. Look at how cute it is. It must be my favorite berry in the whole universe. Now look at these bushes. There should be a lot of blueberries right here. Not only blueberries, but some mosquitoes and other insects as well. Be careful. Finally, we can start preparing our muffins. Start with washing your berries thoroughly. Unless you want to try some baked spider. Jokes aside, strain it and leave for some time to dry evenly. Then sift 150 grams of all-purpose flour and about 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget to mix it. I forgot to add 100 grams of sugar. Now crack an egg into a separate bowl. Add 90 grams of yogurt, 60 grams of vegetable oil and milk. Vanilla extract is totally optional. Add it to taste. And don't forget a pinch of salt. Combine the mixture with dry ingredients. Finally, add the blueberries. Carefully mix the dough, folding it to prevent berries from popping. After it, fill in your mold. Don't fill it to the top. I'm full. You'll see it a little bit later. Toast your muffins into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about half an hour. Yeah, that is what's happening if you fill the molds to the top. Don't be like me. So, muffins are ready. You can give it a try, but let it cool down for some time. Just look at how moist it is on the inside. And so yummy. Yeah, I love it. That's all. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching till the end.